Inequalities are sometimes hard to work out what you're actually doing and what's different from an inequality to a standard equation. So remember, if I have 3x plus 2 equals, let's just say 11, to solve this, I take 2 and I take 2. That gives me 3x equals 9, and divide by 3, x equals 3. So I know that the solution in this case is x equals 3. This is the only solution. There's some things in life that have many acceptable solutions, and the classic example of this is when you sell a house. Just say on auction day I have a reserve price, that's the price that I am willing to sell my house for, of $500,000. Okay, so I've discussed it with the agent, and that's what I believe is the minimum price I will sell my house for. Now, I could write that algebraically as x equals 500,000. Okay, that's the sale price. But this in fact is not true, because I really want more than 500,000. In fact, I'll take the maximum amount possible. So I say to the agent, get me anything greater than or equal to $500,000. That is, I'll accept 500,000, but for sure I'll accept 600,000, 700,000, 1 million, whatever they sell it for. So any value greater than 500,000. So in this situation, it's different from an equation like this. We want to accept a range of values, and that's what an inequality basically is. It says instead of just having one answer and one answer only, we specify the exact that we want a number of values to make it true. How does this work in terms of a number line? So I've got three different inequalities to graph here. X greater than and greater than 2 basically says we want all of the values above 2 on the number line, not including 2. The way we denote that is we have a hollowed out circle and all the values greater than. Okay, and that's the way we just indicate that on a number line. So it's saying all the values greater than 2, not including 2. For a greater than, less than and equal to, we take all the values of 3, including it, that are less than it. So we want all the values less than -3, including -3 in itself. Alright, this one here is mathematical shorthand basically for all the values between -3 and 2. This basically says it includes -3, but it does not include -2. So the way I do these ones is I will circle and and fill in the -3, because that was less than and equal to, and I will leave the 2 open. Then I simply join it up there. You'll get it a bit straighter than me, but this basically says I want all the values between -3 and 2, including -3, not including -2. So that's inequalities explained.